What?
Okay. And now what are we doing?
Now I put the add the rice
Mm-hmm.
in a pan
Mm-hmm.
and stir again
Okay.
till mix everything
Okay.
together
So mixing the rice and the vegetable and
and the
chicken together. Okay. All right. There was so much in the pan that we decided to do it as two groups. So we put half in there and half over here. So we do it twice.
and add salt and pepper
Add salt and pepper. Okay.
and ketchup.
And what? And ketchup? This is the secret to Japanese omelet rice?
Yes.
The secret is ketchup. Now the secret's out. The secret is ketchup. Oh my god, I didn't know that.
Chicken rice.
Ah.
It's called chicken rice in
Chicken
Japan.
rice. Chicken and rice. Ha ha ha. Okay.